In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade the Elementor version on your WordPress website. Whether you're troubleshooting a plugin conflict, returning to a more stable version, or simply exploring previous functionalities, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. It's the central hub where you control all your website's settings and configurations. To do this, open your browser, enter your website's URL, followed by wp-admin, and then enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be on the dashboard and ready for the next step. From the dashboard, look for the Elementor menu item on the left-hand side. Hover over or click on Elementor, and you should see an options menu appear. Select Tools from this menu. The Tools section is where Elementor houses its utility and maintenance functions, which help manage the plugin's behavior and resolve technical issues. Once you're in the Tools section, click on the Version Control tab at the top of the page. This tab allows you to manage and switch between different versions of Elementor, which is crucial for maintaining compatibility with other plugins and themes you might be using. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you pick from several past versions of Elementor. By default, this drop-down is set to the version just before your current one. However, you can choose any past version you need. It's always a good idea to select a version that you know is stable or aligns with the requirements of your other tools and themes to ensure everything works smoothly. After you've made your selection, you'll see a button labeled Reinstall. Click this button to initiate the rollback process. A confirmation prompt will likely appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice, and Element will start reverting to the designated version. This process may take a few moments, so be patient as the system works to downgrade your Elementor plugin. Once it finishes, it will automatically revert to the version you selected, and you'll be all set. The rollback doesn't typically affect your layout or saved templates, but it's always wise to verify your website to ensure everything appears as expected. That wraps up the process of downgrading your Elementor version. Do a quick check on your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly, and you're done. If you encounter any issues or need additional support, you can visit the Elementor documentation or forums for more assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!